Hi, is that Aiden? Hi, Aiden. You get to see mommy work. Okay. All right, now be quiet. Shh. This is a wrap. Hi, Vanessa Quigley here, co-founder of Chatbooks. Chatbooks is the ridiculously easy way to share, print, and enjoy your family memories. As the co-founder of the internet's favorite photo book subscription company, I know a thing or two about printing pictures. This is half of my personal collection. Before I had 500 volumes, my big goal was just to find an effortless way to make one. The idea for Chatbooks was born when I needed an easy way to make one photo book. See, I have 7 kids and scrapbooking wasn't an option.
No.
So we came up with a way to create a photo book from your phone in under 5 minutes. Before you get started on your book, you need to figure out which photos that you want to print. And that's where decluttering comes in. Just like Marie Kondo in your home, you have to organize your photos so that you can actually enjoy them. Do those 25 blurry shots of your kid's elbow really bring you joy? I don't think so. For genius photography hacks, family photo book tips, and so much more, like and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's dive into my pro photo decluttering tips. Last fall, after a wildfire came dangerously close to my neighborhood, I started a huge photo organization project. Now, although I had made dozens of chapbooks over the years, I still had boxes of photos scattered all over the house. So this is what I did. First, I needed to dig out all of my photos and put them into one place. They were a little dusty. And here's a pro tip. Find a common area in your house to do this. I chose my dining room table because I was hosting Thanksgiving dinner and I needed a deadline. Then I organized all of my photos into chronological stacks, and then it was time to make sure all photos were digitized. I really love the Epson Fast Photo Scanner. It is super fast and easy to use, especially when you have a stack of photos. Now that all of the old analog photos are digitized, it's time to start editing down the collection. Now, this step can sound daunting, but you can do it. Start with your duplicates. Do you really need all 17 angles of the clouds out of the airplane window? Lucky for you, there's an app for that. I like to use the Duplicate Photos Fixer app. It saves you hours of work when it comes to getting rid of multiple images on your camera roll. On to screenshots. Unless they spark a memory, delete them from your collection. You should be feeling lighter already. Now, you just need to keep up with it. Make organizing your camera roll part of your weekly routine. I do something I call the Sunday Select, where I get all cozy in bed on Sunday night and dedicate 5 to 10 minutes where I can look back on my week of photos and put the ones that I want to keep into albums and delete the rest. My current Sunday Select record is 987 deleted photos. Let me know if you can top that. I challenge you to give it a try. We are at my favorite step, printing your photos. Now that you have them all organized, print your photos in a book. Research shows that printed photos have positive effects on parents and kids alike. And my favorite way to print photos on a regular basis is with our Monthbooks. Our Monthbook subscription gives you 30 of your favorite photos each month, and they are printed in these beautiful swoon-worthy books that come in hard or softcover, and they come straight to your door. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards tackling your photo organization by watching this video. Keep going and be sure to tag us in your finished projects at Chatbooks on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and be the first to know about any new videos.